Sister Mary Goethe, primary in charge, Sister Catherine, sisters, teachers, students and other supporting staff. First of all, I would like to wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. And today, at this very moment, the entire schools in India celebrates the Teachers' Day and students honor their teacher. Students give due respect and show the gesture of love for their dedication, tireless service they do, the commitment they show in forming the students. So therefore, today is the day students especially show their love, concern, your love for your teacher. Dear students, every day you come to the school, you get up early in the morning, you prepare yourself for the daily class, and you come to the school, and from the moment the first bell goes until the end, you depart from the school to your home. You are under the guidance, you are under the protective care of your each subject teachers. So when teachers are there in your classroom, they commit themselves to teach the lessons and to extract the message and the values and the wisdom from the textbook and impart to you while explaining to you. And they try to clarify the concepts, they try to impart the knowledge and wisdom, they try to make everything easy for you so that you may be able to understand, you may be able to grasp the reality, the concept. At the same time, when you write the examination, you will be able to write it well. So therefore, you see the service they do for you. Very often, maybe especially present situation, teaching is considered to be a job. But it is more than a job, but it is a way of life of a person and committing themselves to the students. The traditional way you have seen at the very beginning of the program, our traditional way of education. So students, they remain with the gurus and they learn the life of guru. The guru teaches the correct thing, the sishyas will learn. While teaching, gurus, if they make mistakes, the same thing is imparted to the students as well. The quality of a guru that will be visibly seen in the life of sishyas as well. The same way, the teachers are in your classroom, they teach, they impart the knowledge to you. So not only they are giving the textbook wisdom and knowledge, but they give their life themselves to you. So each class, the teacher is standing before you and you resemble the qualities of the teacher, the present there. So therefore the relationship between teacher and the student, it is very vital role. So therefore, sometimes what happens, some students come and report or sometimes convey some remarks towards the teacher. And you remember that when you make the remarks, whether positive or negative, if it is negative, that surely pain the teacher because they are not considered as a joke, but they are considering as the life itself. So therefore, dear students, always remember your teachers, not only your subject teachers, the teachers, all those who are involved. You are part of your education right from KG to class 10. And what you are today, especially class 10 students, what you are today, it is a hard work of even your teachers as well as other teachers. So therefore, always learn to respect, give due reverence for the teachers, because what you are today, it is a hard work as well as result of the hard work. Dear teachers, I would like to say one thing. As you go to the classroom to teach, you are not only teaching the textbook, but you are teaching even other qualities. You are forming the students. So always remember, each students are a little bird in your hand. Once a little child hold a bird in his little hands, and he asked his father, "Dad, what do you say? The little bird in my hand, it is live or dead?" And seeing that the father was so wise, and father was thinking, if I say it is alive, then child can just press and it can kill it. Or the father say the bird is already dead, then even child may able to release the little bird live. So seeing that situation, the father of that little child shows the life of that bird, it depends on you. Because as long as you make it protective, you give all the love and concern for the bird, that bird will be safe in your hand. If you are not careful about, then you may harm the life of a bird. The same way, dear teachers, each students in Don Bosco school are the little birds in your hand. So always remember, the love, the concern, the dedication and commitment you show, that will nurture the life of students in your hands. So that way you build up. So therefore, dear teachers, what you do here, it is a remarkable as well as valuable service for the students, to the parents and the society. So therefore, what I would like to say, both teachers and students, cultivate the cordial relationship. Students must be able to identify their valuable service of their teacher, their love and concern, and cooperate with your teachers. Dear teachers, always remember, these are the little children in your hand you form every day to make the future citizens. So, I would like to wish once again all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. And as the principal of Don Bosco High School Landing, I would like to extend my gratitude to all of you for the valuable service, the commitment, the dedication that you have for the school. So the children, you are here, and it is because of your hard work. So continue to show the same spirit, the spirit that built up the family. The dear students, so always remember the service of your teachers, remember them with gratitude, and always pray for them, so that they will be always do the same service that will benefit for you, that will build up your personalities. And at the last, I would like to thank every one of you to making this platform to wish me happy birthday. That also shows your love and concern for me. So thank you so much.
Now, Father, would it not be the right moment to felicitate our achiever teachers? So here, I request Ms. Radha to come up on the stage and announce the names of the teachers.